Hi guys, so today we'll be making rosemary water for hair growth. So I've had this full pack of rosemary in my house. I didn't even know I could use it for other things apart from cooking. I've only been using this to cook. I didn't know I could use it for hair growth also. So I'm going to be trying this since people are talking about it. My friends are saying it works very well, so I'll be trying it to see if it's going to work or not. So first, you get water, you put your water on fire, and then you can rinse the leaf in case of any dirt or stuff like that. So you can just rinse it and then you add it to the water on fire. So this method is very simple. I'll try my possible best to show you the other method. That one is actually very easy, like very easy. You're not wasting gas, less stressful and all of that. So I'm going to be showing you the other method later. So after putting your rosemary on fire, as you could see, it was already changing color before I added my cloves to it. So for this method, I'll be adding my cloves because cloves also works for hair growth, and I want massive hair growth. But it is not a must you add cloves to it. You can do just your rosemary water. It's not a must you add cloves to it. Most people add mint, most people will add oil for hair growth, most people will add anything they want to add. But this is as simple as just getting your water, putting your water on fire, adding your rosemary leaves to the water, and allowing the water sit for like 25 minutes before taking it off fire. So it is that simple, it is that easy. You don't need to add any other thing to it, just your rosemary leaves, your water, and fire. That's all. So I'm going to be adding this to my hair 30 minutes before bathing in the morning and 30 minutes before bathing at night. Most people will leave it overnight or leave it for long, but I'm just going to be doing 30 minutes to 1 hour. I won't be leaving it for long. So if you're not using anything, if you're using just the rosemary water, your water is supposed to come out yellowy green. That is how your water is going to come out, or pinkish reddish hue. That is how your water is going to come out. So after allowing it sit on fire for 25 minutes, I allowed it go cold, and now I'm turning it into a plastic container, into a plastic rubber, so that I can easily turn it into my spray bottle. So that is it. It is that easy. I'll be showing you. I'll try as much as possible to come up with the what's it called, other method as soon as possible. So that one is very easy, like super easy, no stress, no nothing. Super easy. So yeah, this is how to make rosemary water for hair growth. So I'll be trying this for 1 full month. I'm going to be starting today, and I would end next month's end. So let us see if this is actually going to work by the end of November. Let us see if my hair is going to grow. Since I'm on low cut, it will be very easy to tell if it will work or not. So I'll be doing this morning and night. You can do this just in the night, you can do this just in the morning, any of the above, anyone that is okay with you. But this is how to make rosemary water, and like I said, it's not a must you add anything to it. Just rosemary, your water, and your fire. That's all. Now you can spray and enjoy your hair growth. Please don't forget to like, please don't forget to comment, and please don't forget to subscribe if you've not. Also turn on the notification bell after subscribing. Thank you for staying with us on today's video. Bye.